Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to reset your Linksys WiFi Extender. If you're facing connection problems, dealing with configuration errors, or planning to set up your extender from scratch, this detailed guide will make the process seamless, helping you restore and optimize your device effortlessly. Resetting your Linksys Wi-Fi extender is essential to resolve connectivity issues, remove outdated settings, or fix configuration errors. It restores the device to factory defaults, ensuring optimal performance. This is especially useful when troubleshooting, changing networks, or preparing the extender for a new setup in a different location. To begin, locate the reset button on your Linksys extender. Typically, it's a small, recessed button situated on the back or underside of the device. You'll need a paperclip, pin, or similar tool to press it effectively. Ensure your extender is powered on before resetting. Plug the device into a wall outlet and allow it to boot up completely. Wait patiently until the power LED turns solid, indicating that the extender is ready for the reset process. Using a paperclip or pin, gently press and hold the reset button on your Linksys extender. Maintain pressure for approximately 10 seconds until the indicator lights begin to blink. This blinking confirms that the reset process has been initiated and the device is returning to its factory default settings. After initiating the reset process, wait patiently for the lights on your extender to stabilize. This process typically takes a minute or two. Once the lights become steady, it confirms that your extender has been successfully restored to its factory default settings. Following the reset, you'll need to reconfigure your Linksys extender to reconnect it to your Wi-Fi network. Using a smartphone, tablet, or computer, access the extender setup page through a web browser. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process and ensure a stable and optimized network connection. If you face any issues or require assistance, our team of experienced professionals is always ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out to us for expert support and guidance. Contact us anytime at 1-323-507-3713 for assistance. And there you have it. Your Linksys Wi-Fi extender has been successfully reset. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon for more tech guides and tips. Stay tuned for our next video.